up, everybody? Welcome to the South Street Seaport.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Lieutenant Connie Tobler. I'm with the United States Coast Guard Atlantic Strike Team.
How's it going? I'm Petty Officer 3rd Class Willis, stationed out in Norfolk, Virginia, born and raised Roswell, New Mexico.
My name is Private Khan, and I'm from Queens.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Sergeant First Class Rodriguez Nicola. I am from New York, New York.
I'm Preston Durham. I'm from Delta, Pennsylvania.
My name is Lauren Gibbs. I'm a 2018 Olympic silver medalist in the sport of bobsled. Welcome to Fleet Week.
My name is Specialist Stevens, and I'm from Bronx.
Hey, y'all. I'm Chief Christina Allen. I'm currently serving from Norfolk, Virginia, and I hail from Dallas, Texas.
I'm Marrero Plaza. I'm from Puerto Rico.
I'm Staff Sergeant Selman with the New York Army National Guard.
All right, hello everyone. I'm Cameron, and I'm from North Carolina, and I just want to shout out a couple of friends and family who served. My grandpa, Papa John, thank you for serving, and my best friends Braxton Tracy and Liam Huddy, who are in the Navy and Army.
Good afternoon, people. I'm YN2 David Curtis, serving out of Norfolk, Virginia, and I am from San Antonio, Texas.
Hi, guys. I'm from North Carolina.
Hey, this is Sergeant Cooley with the New York Army National Guard, and I'm happy to be here for Fleet Week.
I'm First Class Lugo, and I'm here at the South Street Seaport.
Hey, this is Sergeant Cooley with the New York Army National Guard. And
hello, everyone. My name is Florentina, and I was just walking here, and I found these from Fleet Week. And we decided to stop by. My family is visiting from Argentina, and they love it. Everybody's been really nice, very friendly, and we decided to check it out. Thank you, everybody, for your service. We're very happy to be here.
My name is Specialist Hernandez, and I'm from Brooklyn.
My name is Specialist Mercedes, and I'm from the Bronx, New York.
Hi, good afternoon, everybody. Sergeant Jimenez here, New York Army National Guard.
Hi. Hey, guys. Welcome to New York City Fleet Week. My name is Gene Wu. I'm a United States Marine Corps veteran. We organized this event for the first year to highlight the culinary services in the military and those transitioning veterans who want to transition into the culinary arts. We're going to have this festival until 2 p.m. at the South Street Seaport in Manhattan today, and we're going to have a invite-only private cooking demo with the former sous chef of El Bullier a little bit later. So welcome, come, enjoy, and we'll hope to see you out here and years afterwards as well.
Hello everyone, my name is Joey MacDizon. I am a Marine Corps veteran. We're here with the Patriots of the Leaf. This is our nonprofit organization where we give out cigars to veterans and first responders. We're here for Fleet Week for the Marines and sailors and Coast Guard that are stopping on by. But come stop by our table, smoke them if you got them.
Everyone, I'm Jordan Foley here with the Robert Irvine Foundation, the Let's Chow food truck program. Today we got the Farina pasta truck with Dan Lee, Army veteran, expanding his business through our food truck from Philadelphia to Atlantic City. We drove that thing up here to New York City to celebrate the Army's birthday, but also be here at the South Street Seaport to show people what we can cook up and also introduce them to the service element of being in the Army and the Army National Guard. Excited to be here. Chef Irvine loves events like this, and we love supporting our troops.
Hey, this is Master Sergeant Seth Barham from the Office of Chief of Public Affairs, Northeast. We're down here at the beautiful Seaport at the inaugural Veterans Food Festival. Come on down and join us. Great event. You can get some chow, learn about some assault kitchens, interact with soldiers, and just have a great time. So everyone enjoy their Memorial Day, and we're happy to be here.
Fleet Week!
Yeah. Welcome to Fleet Week.
Welcome to Fleet Week.
Fleet Week.
Welcome to Fleet Week.
Welcome to Fleet Week.
Welcome to Fleet Week!
Welcome to Fleet Week.
Welcome to Fleet Week!
Welcome to Fleet Week.
Fleet Week! Fleet Week!